Welcome to the second part of this video. We'll model these plants and grass. So let's start. In the first part, we have seen how move, rotation and scale tool works, and I also show you the editing and object mode. So let's start with the second part. As always, you will get this default screen. Let's just delete everything and I will show you how to add objects. So you can see this circle. This is what 3D cursor is. As I have told you in last video, I will show you the 3D cursor. So you can select the cursor from here. You can see it will follow your cursor where you left clicked. Whatever 3D objects we will add, it will come up from this 3D cursor. Let's add objects. To add object, go to add menu here. I will explain the every other objects when we need. Let's add from the mesh for now. This one is plain. Let's add every other objects. And you can see it will come up from this 3D cursor. To add objects directly, you have to press Shift A, which is the shortcut key to add objects. And to add cursor at any position you want, Shift right click on mouse is the shortcut key for that. This is the variety of objects you will get from mesh menu. So let's create some grass. I'm adding plain here. Then go to edit mode and scale this down in y-axis. I'm going to model this from top view. For top view, I am pressing 7 on numpad. We will need loop cut here. I am pressing Ctrl R on keyboard. Again, I am adding new loop cuts, but this time in different angle. Let's rotate this in 90 degree. Either you can rotate in this way, or you have to press R, Y and 90. Let's add ground plane. I am pressing 1 on numpad for front view, and let's place this grass above the ground. . You can see that orange dot here. This is what origin is. I'll show you how to change that origin's position because it's most important part. Every action like move, rotation, scale, it depends upon that origin point. Let's modify its shape because we don't want our grass that straight. I'm going to use proportional editing for that. Let me show you. Turn on proportional editing from here. Then you can see after you select those vertex, you can see that gray circle around. By moving your scroll wheel on mouse, you can change its shape. What that circle does, it affects the area around. To get rid of that sharp look, select the object, right click and select shade smooth. To duplicate this, I am using Shift D on keyboard, and let's just create some variation of grass. Let's edit the origin point of this grass. We are gonna need this at the bottom of the grass. So let me show you how to edit it. Select the object, go to edit mode, select all, then move it in this way. Either this way you can edit your origin point, or there is another way. Another way is select the object, place the cursor where you want your origin to be, right click on object, origin to 3D cursor. See, we have placed the origin point where we want. Then let's just do the same with others. Once we are done, let's create group of grass. By pressing Z on keyboard. Let's switch to material view. Go to material menu from here, then add new material, then let's give it some green shade. Then select another and give it same material from here. To rename the object, select the object, go here and double click and type then to create their collection, select all, press M and new collection, then rename the collection. Now we are gonna create plant from reference. To add reference, we need to divide our viewport into section. To divide this, click here and select vertical split. Then we will add our image here. Go to image editor and add your image. I am adding cylinder here. We need to do some settings here. I am switching this to wireframe mode by pressing Z on keyboard. Then we will need loop cuts here, more than one. Press Ctrl R and move your scroll wheel to adjust its amount. Let's create leaf. Again I am adding plane here. Then start modeling by switching it to top view. Once we are happy with the shape, let's add sub modifier to make it smooth. there will be separate video in which I will explain what actually modifiers are. So the shape looks fine for now. We need to add some thickness here. So for that I'm gonna add solidify modifier. Setting its origin point here. I am creating separate collection for plant. By the way, you can turn on, turn off objects. You can also select objects and groups from here. Here I am editing the shape of cylinder. Also I am gonna create some variations of leaf. Once we are done with leaf, it's time to set up plant. There are two methods. Either you can move it manually, but the better way is use snapping for that. By placing cursor where our leaf we want to be, then select the leaf, right click, snap, selection to cursor. Then let's give some material to our plant. To copy the same material directly from grass to leaf, select the leaf first, then grass, then press Ctrl L on keyboard and select materials. So that's it for now. In next video I will cover node editor to texture this plant. I will show you how to unwrap. So see you in the next video.